What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about some of these fake AirPod Pros off of Amazon. They're $29.99. They look very similar to the regular AirPods. Obviously they're not. There is some things different and I will go over those differences in this video. But the link is down in the description, so after this video, if you're interested in purchasing these, the link will be down in the description. So in this video I'm going to go over the specs of what they tell you on Amazon to get you to buy it, and then I'm going to tell you my experience with each one of those specs, just so you guys can make y'all's decision. So saying that, let's get into the video. So the first thing I want to talk about is the claim of these are waterproof. $29.99. If you look in the description, they do claim that they are waterproof. I think that is pretty bold. It's a bold statement. Underneath that in small lettering, it says for sweat, for your workouts and stuff. And that's where, I didn't put these in water. I didn't submerge these, but that's where I would leave these is, yeah, I think you could sweat in these and be okay, obviously. These are going to be fine when you sweat in them, but I wouldn't go swimming with them. Who would do that? Jesus, that makes no sense. Or I think you would even get away if you were caught in a rainstorm and you had them in your ear. I think you could get away with that as long as your box is in your pocket somewhere dry. But these right here, the actual earpieces, they do seem pretty solid. They do seem like they have a little bit of waterproofing because they are real tight sealed. The holes look pretty sealed to me. So yeah, that's the one of the things I want to talk about first, because I think it's a bold claim to say they're waterproof because they're $29.99. It's crazy, but it is pretty cool. These are great for working out and stuff like that. The next thing I wanted to talk about is the battery life. Just get that out the way. The specs say it lasts 22 hours. I would say it lasts a little less, but the battery life is very good. Nothing to worry about. I did try these. I used these for about a week and the battery life is nothing to complain about. They do charge with a USB-C, which is actually something that I complained about in the regular fake AirPods, is they had a mini USB. These actually have a USB-C, which is amazing. You plug it into USB-C, charge it, and you're good to go, and they will last you couple days, if you use them regularly. So when it comes to battery life, it claims that both of these will last 5.5 hours, which I never had them in my ear that long, but they do last a good while. There's nothing to worry about. They last a long time. I just wanted to get that out there. It says 28 hours total for the box and the AirPods, or the fake AirPods. But the battery life, just to get that, it's fine. You won't have a problem with it. They last a long time. I think they figured out the battery and it lasts a good while. Another thing I want to talk about really fast before we get too deep in the video, which this video shouldn't be that long, is connecting these. It has Bluetooth 5.0. They were very easy to connect. In my last video, I had somebody say they must have came a long way with these fake AirPod Pros or fake AirPods, because they do connect really easy now. About a year ago, I made a video on some of these cheap ones, and it was very hard for me to get the right ear to work. It was super hard, like I had to play with it for hours. These new ones that I got, they connect really fast. Both sides work. It's very quick, no problem. The only thing, like I said in the last one, is on an iPhone, you can't see the battery life. On an Android phone, come to find out, you can see the battery life. If you go into Bluetooth settings, you will be able to see the battery life. It's on, whenever you have them in your ear, you'll be able to see that. So that's pretty awesome. I wanted to go ahead and get that out the way. But yeah, the connectivity on these are very good. You will not have a problem with that. That's a big problem on the old fake AirPods you would have. These, you will not have that problem. Another quick thing to go over before I go to the next spec is they do have different sizes for you to, in case your ear is a little different than the ones that are already on here. There is different sizes for these you can change out. Very easy to swap out, almost like regular AirPods. They're very easy to go on and off, so that's awesome to know. And that's, just so you know, if you buy these, there will be a rubber ear fitting that will fit your ear. So with saying that, these fake AirPods have a touch system as well on each AirPod, right or left. The single tap will pause or play your media. The single tap will also answer and hang up your phone call, which is really nice. That also the double tap, you can go to previous track. So if you're listening to a music and you want to go to the next track, you can double tap either one side and it will go to the previous track, which is pretty cool. And then the triple tap is you can activate voice assistant, which is really nice. It does work. I've tried it, it works great. All three of those steps is pretty awesome to have. The last fake AirPods, not the Pros, but the fake AirPods, that these regular ones right here, it only had a tap system of one tap, play or pause, and that was it. These have, you know, 3 taps that you can do, which do different things, which is pretty nice. So that is cool. I mean, I guess that's what that extra $10 is for from these fake ones, these other fake ones. So I guess the Pros do come with a little more features. Okay, so the last couple things I want to talk about before this video is over, just 2 more things, is they do have built-in microphones which sound great to the other person. If you get a phone call, they could hear you perfectly fine. The sound quality is good. It's great. I mean, there's really nothing much to say about it. They sound good. And then the last thing I want to talk about is the sound quality. These do sound really good. I mean, they're not as good as AirPods, like real AirPods, but they do have good sound quality. So that is something to keep in mind. I mean, they're small, so you got to keep that in mind. And they do fit in your ear, very comfortable. They're very comfortable. Like once you put them in, you will forget they are there. Noise cancellation, it cancels the noise, but you can't hit a button to hear your surroundings. So it don't have active noise cancellation, but it does have, they're very comfortable. And once you put them in, it cancels the noise around you, and then you're good to go. Like, they're very comfortable. So with that, this video, that's all there is with this video. These are really good. The case is built very well. It has lights on the bottom letting you know what's going on, if they're charging, you know, and it's USB-C, which is really cool. Would I recommend these? Absolutely. I would highly recommend these headphones. They're very good. The only thing I wish they had, which is hard to get for $29.99, is noise cancellation, where you could hit a button and hear your surroundings. That would be nice, but the real AirPod Pros do have that, and that's one of the main features of these AirPods is the noise cancellation. But with that, if you have a small budget and you want some AirPod Pros, similar AirPod Pros, these would be a good buy. I mean, I think you should go down and look into purchasing them, because they are really good. I really have no negative on it, really. They're really good. This lid might be a little flimsy compared to the regular ones, but that's about it. Other than that, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, the bell notification, all the stuff you're supposed to hit whenever you watch a YouTube video. So saying that, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.